Hello, I'm Dr. Sanchez. I want to say hello to all my patients, all my staff, and everybody that knows me. And I want to talk a little bit today about some tips on diabetes. Okay, there's a new medicine that we're beginning to use that works on the kidney. And the main thing with these medicines, and I'll write the name below because the trade name is Farxiga. There's a few others in Bocana. There's Diploglyptin, Jardiance. There's a few brands. But I'm going to put the name of the chemical below so you can see it in a little bit, okay? So it will be down there. And it's a new class of medications that help throw out the sugar in the urine. And they make you lose weight, and they bring down the blood pressure, they improve your kidney function, but they also have another effect that it decreases the cardiovascular risk of disease, okay? You have less heart attacks, less heart disease, congestive failure with the use of these medicines. So anyway, the reason people get sick with diabetes, hypertension, and all these illnesses is because of the weight. So I want to emphasize, it is very important to keep the weight down. Very important. We need to do whatever it takes to get our weight down. That includes you, me, all of us that are overweight, because every pound makes a difference. Every amount of sugar that we eat makes a difference. Okay, soda pop has about anywhere from 20 to 30 teaspoons of sugar per bottle, depending on the size. Of course, that's not including the 64 ounces, which has even a lot more. But the sugar is toxic to the system. When you get too much sugar, we have to produce lots of insulin. Insulin is not the best thing for our body, especially in big quantities. Normally, our pancreas will produce a small amount, 1 unit per weight, as we need it. But obviously we don't need it all day long. You know, we eat intermittently. So please watch your diet. Don't eat so much sugar, especially drinks like that, and start eating a lot of vegetables. Dr. Hans had a lecture last night, and she asked us, what is the #1 cause of cancer in the world? Hardly nobody knew the answer. I knew it, and guess what it is? #1 cause of cancer in the world. It's obesity. Overweight. When you're very much overweight, that triggers a lot of things in your body. There's a lot of hormones, a lot of chemicals that the fat cells produce that are harmful and toxic, and they produce these. They help the body get ill and produce cancer. So please, the main thing again, I want to emphasize, watch your diet, okay? And then these new medications that came out, we're going to be using them a lot because the new investigations and the new reports and studies show that these medicines can actually save your life. Okay, so stay tuned for the next tape, and I'll explain a little bit more with more details on these kind of medications and their advantages. Thank you.